Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, image coach and a certified makeup artist. In today's video, I'm bringing some amazing reviews of products which I personally love. This is not a paid promotion. I'm getting nothing out of it. These are the products I use every single day and they do a great job for your skin, for your hygiene, for everything. These are my personal favorite और मुझे लगता है I must share with my YouTube fan that these work really well. So let's get started. So I'll start with this amazing product. This is Wish Care hair. I don't know. ये लेता है क्या focus में? Does it? Okay, this is Wish Care Hair Growth Serum. I cannot tell you how effective this is. इसके जैसा ही Pilgrim का भी है, तो ये दोनों I use continuously. I'm not a hair oiling person, but this on my scalp literally gave me new baby hairs, and this does the job. जो इसका काम है, it is really effective. So if you're looking for a serum, go for it. I'm just starting with hair. So this is L'Oreal Dream Length leave-in conditioner. So for me, my hair care routine is, shampooing, conditioner, and I follow it by hair conditioner, leave-in conditioner and then a serum. So what does this leave-in conditioner does कि जब आप conditioner लगाते हो, जो moisture आपके hair में होता है उसको lock करने के लिए you put a leave-in conditioner. So basically जब आपके बालों में से पानी गिरना बंद हो जाता है, like towel dry, you apply hair leave-in conditioner, and जब बाल पूरे सूख जाते हैं तो आप सीरम डालते हो. So this is really effective and it makes your hair look smoother and no split ends. So this one really works. If you really have split end ka issue, just get a haircut and then start using this. You will see the difference. This is an amazing product. I don't know why people don't talk about it, but this is good. So now coming to two of very good lip balms. I cannot tell you, they both are from Dot & Key. Number one is Dot & Key Gloss Boss. This is vitamin C and E lip balm. It has SPF 30. It is such a great lip balm. It gives you that glossy finish. It leaves a tint behind, and it's great. You don't need a lot of lipstick. So sometimes I feel, why to put on a lipstick when you get the color, yet you get a great lip care also. So this is good for your everyday. जब आप घर पे रहते हो, you need little color on your lips. And you know what? I put this around my cheeks as well, so it gives that highlighted blush look also. And of course, it has vitamin C and E. What more you need, your skin will always look better. So this is one from Dot & Key. Another one from Dot & Key is Dot & Key Strawberry Lip Balm, and this is SPF 50, and this is Barrier Repair Hydrating Lip Balm. Again, this has great color payoff. It looks like a lipstick. It looks more like a lip gloss, and when the gloss is over, that leaves a tint. I must tell you, these two are my favorite from Dot & Key. मैं पूरे दिन ये लगाती हूँ, and जब बाहर जाना होता है, when I need transfer proof effect, तो मैं lipstick लगाती हूँ ना पूरे दिन. I'm wearing these and it's somewhere always in my pocket. This is really great. If you really want a great tinted kind of lips, I'll just show you the swatch of this one. See how pigmented it is. This is really good. Just put on. See, it's really good. I love it, this one. Next comes two of my favorite sunscreens, which I swear by. It's going to be years that I'm using this one. Number one is Shadow Fix Derma Shadow SPF 50 Gel. This is, I cannot tell you how amazing this is. It's a gel, girls. It's a gel. And if a man is watching, gentlemen, this is a gel. And ये आप लगाओगे ना, you will not have that sticky feeling. You will not have कि मैंने मुंह में कुछ लगा. ये पूरे absorb हो जाता है. This is the best sunscreen ever. It's going to be 3 years I'm using it. मैं अपनी बेटी को भी लगाती हूँ. She is 4.5 years old. And we both love it. There is no side effect. There is nothing. ना इससे कोई tingling sensation होती है, ना इससे कोई problem होता है. This is the best sunscreen you can invest in. This is a face sunscreen. For body sunscreen, I use the Wish Care body sunscreen. It is niacinamide, ceramide, carrot seed, raspberry. SPF 50. सो ये मैं अपने हाथों में लगाती हूँ, बॉडी में लगाती हूँ. सो वाई यू नीड अ बॉडी सनस्क्रीन? क्योंकि बॉडी में भी पिगमेंटेशन होती है, एंड ओवर द पीरियड जब आप 1-2 साल सनस्क्रीन यूज करते हो, जो आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग डार्कनेस होती है, पिगमेंटेशन होती है, वो भी रिड्यूस होने लगती है. तो आप सुबह जब नहा के निकलते हो तो ऑलवेज अप्लाई अ बॉडी सनस्क्रीन, एंड रात में सोते टाइम यू कैन अप्लाई सिंपल मॉइस्चराइजर, ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड, AHA बेस्ड, जो आपके एक्सफोलिएटिंग में भी हेल्प करेगा. सो दिस इज समथिंग गर्ल्स, amazing, amazing. Now coming to face cleanser, I'm a big believer of double cleansing. I just love it. So this is from Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve. Oh my god, this is the best oil cleanser ever. So how I start my night routine is, first I take this and apply it all over my face. I massage. It has a oil consistency, and ये आपके सारे मेकअप को निकाल देता है, पूरे दिन के सनस्क्रीन एंड क्रीम सबको निकालता है. It is the best dissolvable cleanser ever. And फिर आप इसको पानी से निकाल देते हो, just get rid from water, निकल जाता है. उसके बाद I apply a foam cleanser. This is Foxtail Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser. This again takes away all the dust. Of course, oil ने तो सब निकाल ही दिया है. एक foam cleanser से भी मैं पूरा पूरा निकाल देती हूँ. So it gives that super clean effect to my skin. Now my skin is ready to take whatever serums or creams I want to put. But these two are the best combination you can give to your skin, and it's going to look radiant. अभी भी मैंने कोई क्रीम लगाया नहीं है, मतलब इट्स जस्ट सनस्क्रीन ऑन माय फेस, लिप बाम, दैट्स ऑल. सो योर स्किन विल थैंक you when you take care of it. Last but not the least, I'm 31 years old, so I need to include an anti-aging thing on my skin. So this is a collaboration of the Dermaco with Dr. V. This is Skin Renew Peptide Retinol Serum Cream. So जब ये दोनों चीज मैं लगा लेती हूँ, I just apply this and sleep. ज़्यादा लंबा मेरा night routine होता नहीं. I cannot devote a lot of time to the night routine. So I just do the cleansing of my face. The thorough cleansing, I apply this. So this has peptide and retinol both, and there's a serum cream. So मुझे अलग से serum नहीं लगाना पड़ता, अलग से cream नहीं लगाना पड़ता. So you have to be very wise and strategic with your skin care. जितना ज़्यादा लंबा process रखोगे, उतने आप lazy हो जाओगे, आप करोगे नहीं. जितना छोटा process रखोगे, you will do it again and again, and you will be consistent. So this is from the house of the Dermaco. And this is the blue bottle. This is amazing, and this actually made my skincare game really good. So these are not a sponsored kind of a thing. These are my personal use, and मैं ये सारे चीज़ों में अपने थर्ड या फोर्थ बॉटल में हूँ. दैट इज हाउ आई एम गिविंग यू द रिव्यू. इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन टाइम यूज. So I hope you will find something useful from these, and you will get the best for you. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video more about grooming and personality traits. Bye bye and take care.